One of the biggest mistakes that we have had as children is we were under the impression that we knew what parenting was supposed to look like. We knew exactly what it was supposed to look like. But as you get a little older, you see that there were so many different parenting dynamics. Now, she's saying that Dr. Umar was not present in her life. But she's also saying that she has had a stepfather that has been present her entire life. That means that she has had a father figure in her life. Okay. So, although she has not had the father figure of her biological father, she has had a father figure in her life. Here's what is going to be challenging for you all to hear. Sometimes our parents do not want to deal with messy children. I'm not blaming children. I'm just being factual. If your father wants to see his daughter, but she's going to have the attitude of the mama, then daddy don't want to see you either. Your mother has contaminated all of your thoughts, all of your behavior, and you have become unpleasant. Let me ask you something. I'm being honest. See, you all thought that I was going to have this cookie cutter experience and just say, you know, oh, he a man. I'm not going to say that. I'm going to be realistic. When we show ourselves to be unpleasant, unruly, don't listen, when we decide that we are the adult, then our parents cannot be present the way that we may desire. We're unpleasant. I know, but the first thing is we talked about this yesterday on the Fly Nubian Queen channel, which is marry before you carry. Marry before you carry. It don't matter who they are. If they speaking a good game and they want you to be the mother of their child, and they have to say to you that they want a family, you got to marry before you carry. And because we don't marry before we carry, we have a lot of, households that are different, right? So the thing that I'm going to say is Dr. Umar Johnson, um, he speaks about Black liberation, the Black family, while you have a circumstance like this. Does that take away his ability to be a messenger about the power of the Black family structure? Well, we have to ask ourselves, how do we preach Black family structure while there's completely opposite going on? But what we fail to realize as a group of people is it takes a unit on the same page to make things go right. A father cannot come through a door. Every time he comes through the door, it's going to be knives and darts thrown at him. He ain't going to want to come through that door. Don't want to come through the door. If I gotta come and see y'all and y'all finna beat me up every time I come through the door, I'm not gonna. Some men are not gonna come. So as a unit, we have to realize something. Like she's saying, I wanna find my sister. I want to reach out to my sister. What are you gonna do with your sister? Now, this is me having a different thought process and thinking a little higher. What are you gonna do with your sister? Y'all gonna start a business?